Question number 4, page number 112. Roll number 112 is there. Mokka joke. Name. Selvi. Selvi will read this question for us. Yeah, so the first performance is Selvi reading question number 4. Please. Very good. Sure. Friends, please stop talking.
Stock on 1st April 2013, purchases in the year, sales, stock on 31st March 2014, branch accounts on 1st April 2013, Coimbatore 15,000, Trivandrum 32,000, Bangalore 4,000, remittances from branches 3,20,000, 1,50,000, 1,70,000. Madras office invoices goods to the branches.
Stop talking, friends.
At fixed sales prices, but maintains branch accounts in its ledgers at cost price. Show branch accounts in Madras head office books.
Very good. Kindly go through the question once again, please. Hot water, yeah. Okay, water aside. See, there was a business at Madras having 3 branches: Coimbatore, Trivandrum, and Bangalore. Madras head office having 3 branches: Coimbatore, Trivandrum, and Bangalore. Opening shortly. So we have information of these branches provided. Friends, what is the final requirement of the question? So the pre-lunch session we were actually solving all the question under all the methods. Henceforth we will be solving only what is required. You are going to be given for these type of performance 4 hours fully. So that 4 hours at 26th of this August. This performance we can continuously 4 hours like that. Please listen. So today, please, I had a target of 7. Now cutting down to 6. Now that is cut down to 5. Just 2 questions. Please allow me to do so. 2 questions. Please don't disturb. Portion completion. Please. Exactly. So, just thinking about the completion of syllabus. Yesterday I took 2 hours to fit that everything into completion by at least this particular month end, so that at Rosy Towers we can break that. On Sundays we can include that. So like that, spending time. So thereby, please allow me to take 2 problems today. I request, humble request, please don't disturb henceforth, right? Just otherwise, sharp 4 o'clock, Swaminathan will come and kick all of us out. Okay, so let us take up this particular question. So we find Madras office is having 3 branches and a few informations provided. What is the final requirement? Which method they are asking you to solve the question? So you should know that the requirement is actually single entry model. They are asking you what? Trading account. Everybody, they are asking you trading account. Then they are also asking you show branch accounts in Madras head office, which means data system. Which means even though we have decided what is required, only we will solve. In this question they are asking you 2 methods. One is single entry model, the other one is data system. So we will be solving the problem under both the methods. Friends, initially we are focusing on the single entry model preparation of trading account. Generally when we mean the term combined trading account, we will be preparing the branches trading account simultaneously, is what you should understand, with a column for total. So we should not be simply taking the aggregate information alone. We will be having Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Bangalore total. Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Bangalore total. Trading account. Understood? Now in trading account, what do you require? Opening stock, purchases, sales, closing stock. GP. Understood? So we will be getting GP. There is no other expenses and all given. So just a trading account only asked, no P&L account involved here. Understood? Everybody. So thereby we will be preparing this particular trading account. So single entry model. Shall we? Now let us analyze certain information here. 3 branches. The head office at Madras purchase goods and send them to. So at Madras office, no sales happening, friends. Madras office will buy goods and send them to branches. The only duty of Madras office is to buy and send goods to branches to be sold at a uniform percentage of profit on cost. Everybody, all the branches having same margin. Okay, then they are giving few informations, remittances and blah blah information. Madras office invoices goods to branches at fixed sale price. When they are sending goods, they are sending goods only at a invoice price, which is fixed selling price. So one thing we can understand, here we cannot assume that sales were made over and above the invoice price. Invoice price is actually equal to selling price, but maintains branch accounts in its ledger at sending to the branch at, but in their books they are recording only the cost price. Understood? Please respond. Okay, let us analyze the information, friends. We require opening stock. Opening stock of branches available. So what is for Coimbatore? Trivandrum and Bangalore. But the only question is, these information are representing cost price or invoice price? They are representing cost price or invoice price. We require what information? Be very clear. Cost price. For preparing single entry model trading account, we require information at these information are there at invoice price. Where it is given, that is at invoice price. Because these are all the information reported by the branch. And branch will never know dash price. They will know only. So individual branch concerned, they will have only information at what price? Invoice price. So thereby the opening stock of all the branches are at. We should convert them into. Then only you should use in our trading account. Please respond. Then we will have 2. Trading account information. 4A for information 2. Which is nothing but the goods sent to branch. What is purchases, friends? Goods sent to branch. Because for branch they are not buying from any other person. They are buying only goods from. So that goods sent to branch is what we record as purchases. Correct? At what price? We require at cost price. Our trading account, we require all information at what price, friends? Cost price. Then we have buy. Sales. What price? Sales only. Buy. Closing. At what price? Closing stock given. Closing stock given, na? Closing stock given. Correct? Please respond. It is representing what price? Invoice price. Everybody? So we want opening stock, purchases, that is goods, sent to branch, and closing stock at. Opening stock, closing stock available. Available, but at goods sent to branch not at all available only. Goods sent to branch is not at all given in the question. Are you following? So sales is available at the selling price. Only one information is available which can be used in trading account. Opening stock, closing stock available at invoice price, which should be converted into goods sent to branch not at all available. Everybody. So what do we do, sir? How to convert this invoice price into cost price, sir? Use profit margin, sir. It's so easy. Ayyo. Gross profit margin is not given. So we actually want this invoice price to be converted into, but gross profit margin not given. Like previous question, 20% on cost, 30% on cost, 40% on cost, nothing is given. Everybody. So now our attention shifted to computation of gross profit margin for each of the 3 departments separately. No need, sir, because all the branches has got same margin. So margin is to be found only once. Is that clear? Yes. Gross profit margin equal to GP by sales into 100. GP ratio equal to GP by sales into 100. Everybody. What is GP? Sales minus cost. Understood? Now how to find out this GPR? How to find out this GP? So tell me which number, which minus which number? One at a time. Yes. Opening stock, 16,000. Now tell me very clearly, sir. You should be very specific. I am coming. Yes, Baski. Friends, please stop talking. Sales of branches. Sales of Abdina, I should add what to 180. Total 4 lakhs. You get cost. Cost, sales. Difference is profit. Profit, margin. That is what you want to say? That is what you are about to say? Remittance is there. You want to consider remittance also for ratio. Your same thing, sir. Our friend have beautifully conveyed this. That 180 plus 120 plus 1 lakh. Total minus 274. That's all. Not like that. It is opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. You get 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Profit is, and then easily understandable that 1 lakh divided by 4 lakhs into 100 is what percentage? 25 percentage. It's not correct. It's because it is actually good application, well thought out. Now the issue there is that whenever friend takes this Madras head office, one thing you should know that all these information are available at cost price. In Madras nothing is there at invoice price. Please respond. Everybody. 54 plus 274. 54 plus is what? 328 is the goods totally available at the head office. Minus 28,000 is the 3 lakhs, which is the cost price of goods sent to the branch. Cost price of. Sir, 3 lakh 28 was the goods available in the shop. Please listen, friends. The last person, they are not there in the class. So 3 lakh 28,000 is the goods which was available in the head office. In that closing I see only 28. Now balance have been sold. No, goods sent. Now by comparing that with 4 lakhs, you are assuming one thing. You tell your assumption, then it may be correct. What is the assumption? Whatever sent is fully sold. Manikanda. Whatever goods sent has been already sold is what if you are assuming, and by comparing 4 lakhs with 3 lakhs, correct? That is beautifully correct, provided opening stock and closing stock was same. Had the opening stock at the branch and closing stock at the branch was, then you could have easily told whatever goods received in the current year has been fully sold. So 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs we can easily compare. Everybody. But that is not possible because opening stock is different, closing stock is different. Respond. So one thing is sure that whatever goods that you received in the current year was not fully or maybe sold more than that out of opening stock also. Are you following? Please respond. For gross profit, I should compare sales with cost. But when I take the sales, I don't know the cost of goods sold. I know only the cost of goods sent by head office to the branch. Is that clear? Please respond. I know only one cost. Which cost? What is that cost? Cost of purchase I know, or I know the cost of goods. Cost of goods. So now the reverse thinking. If you know the cost of goods sent, can I find out the sale value of goods sent? Can I find out the sale value of goods sent? Is it possible, sir? Yes, very much possible. How, sir? Now listen carefully, friend. In Coimbatore, sales how much, friends? Representing what price? Selling price. What is closing stock? So 1,86,000 is the total goods available in the branch. Everybody. In that 16,000 was there in the branch in the previous year itself. Respond. Which means how much goods Coimbatore received in the current year? 1 lakh. You know why closing stock and sales could be added? Because the sale is also representing what price? 6,000 is also representing. Absolutely there is no difference between invoice price and selling price. Because it is sent at fixed sale price. Could you appreciate that? So thereby you can add 1,80,000 plus 6. 1,86,000. So see, total goods available in a shop can be either opening stock plus is nothing but sales plus closing stock. Quantity wise it is same. opening stock quantity plus should be equal to sales quantity plus closing stock quantity. Correct, Appa? So total goods available at Coimbatore is 1,80,000 plus 6,000. 1 lakh minus the stock the branch was having in the previous year itself. So to be eliminated, so balance 1,70,000 is the goods received by the branch from the in this current year. Like that you can work for Trivandrum, you can work for Bangalore. The aggregate of all such amount is the goods sent by head office to the branch at selling price. And from head office you have the cost price of goods sent. Because when you find profit margin, my dear friends, these are technical, simple things only, very elementary things only. Quantity has to be same. You can't compare sale value of 10 units and purchase cost of 7 units for finding profit margin. If you want to find out profit margin, it has to be sale value of 10 with cost price of 10. Understood? If you take sale value of 10 units and cost price of 7 units, that is not actually showing the correct profit margin. Correct, Abba? So when you take sales 1,80,000, 120, 1 lakh, total sales is how much? Now I want corresponding cost of goods sold, which I don't have. So which cost you have? Cost of goods sent from head office. I have cost of goods sent, which is opening stock at head office plus purchase. The total goods available at head office minus closing stock is the goods sent by head office to the. I have only this cost difference. Or I have the cost of purchases. Now you tell me sale of purchases. I don't have that. Everybody. So from head office I got two costs. Either cost of purchases. How much? 2,74,000. Or I have cost of goods sent. I don't have cost of goods sold. I have two costs only. Cost of purchases or cost of goods sent. Correct? In this you tell for which quantity you can tell sale value for me. You don't tell sale value for actual goods sold because I don't have the corresponding cost. Please respond, Appa. For a given quantity I know my cost. Correct, Appa? For that quantity you should tell me the sales value. Clear? So which quantity can tell? I have this cost price. I have cost price for goods purchased. Correct? How much? 2,74,000. Please look into question, friends. I have cost price even for goods sent. Respond. How do you know that is a good sent? Because head office does not have any other job. Head office will buy goods and send to the goods. Correct? At head office there should have been 3,28,000 worth of goods. Closing is only 28 now. 3 lakhs they have sent to the branch, and that is what nothing but cost price. Correct, Appa? Respond. Corresponding selling price. Corresponding we can find from the branch. We can find from the sales plus closing stock is the total goods available at the branch. In that 16,000 was already received by branch from the previous year. So thereby in this year how much received? Sales plus closing stock minus opening stock in each branch. Then total all those amounts. You will get sale value of goods sent. You have from head office cost price of goods sent. Sale value of goods sent. Cost price of goods sent. Representing same quantity. Now that profit only you can use. So whenever you find the margin, it has to be margin on the same quantity, not of different quantity. Understood? You can't tell any sales, any cost. This is sales given 4 lakhs, cost 3 lakhs. Like that you can't take. Correct, Appa? Sales of goods sold, cost of goods sold. I don't have, sir. Appa said cost of goods sent, sale of goods sent. That is the concept. Everybody? A very technical question, sir. Very, very important question from the examination perspective. Shall we move into the problem now? So first target is computation of gross profit. Gross profit ratio. Why should I find out the markup? To convert the invoice price into, earlier we told opening stock available, closing stock available. Correct? I said goods sent to branch not available. Goods sent to branch. Now only we have discussed that goods sent to branch can be found out. Goods sent to branch can be found out. From each branch only we can find out. Correct? So we have told that how to find out goods sent to branch. Sales plus closing stock minus at branches. Correct? At head office, opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Is that clear, sir? Everybody? So now we like to move into the problem. We are finding the margin. Margin is for converting invoice price into and then preparing the trading account, arrive at the gross profit, finished. First part of solution will be over. Then second part of solution is preparing the same solution under what method? Data system. Data system 7-step approach. Correct? So let us discuss that later. Now presently focus on the gross profit ratio. Exactly. The first item to be found out is Coimbatore, Trivandrum, total. Sales plus closing stock, opening stock, all at invoice price will give you goods received by the branch from head office. Could you appreciate the discussion, friends? The sales whatever I have made plus whatever goods I have available is the total goods I have received from head office. But in that some goods already received now. In this year how much received? That's a concept. Right? Okay. So 2 lakh and 1 lakh 80,000 plus 6,000 16,000. One lakh 70,000. Trivandrum. 1 lakh 20,000. 5,000. 12,000. Okay. 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh. 2,000. 92,000. Total 4 lakhs. Okay. Okay. What is 3,75,000, friends? Yeah, goods received from head office, or which can also be called as goods sent to the branch at invoice price. Everybody? Right. Now, cost of goods sent to the branch, which is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock at Madras head office. Correct? That is 54,000 plus 2,74,000, 28,000. Now 375 and 3 lakhs are on comparable quantity, same quantity. Understood? Because 375 represent sale value of goods received. 3 lakhs represent cost price of goods sent. So thereby it is 75,000. Gross profit ratio normally on sales 75,000, 3,75,000, 20. Everybody, now can I make a statement so that you will complete the statement? Out of sales of 100, 20 is profit. That's all. Very good. So out of sales of 100, 20 is profit. You complete the sentence what 80 is cost. Understood? So why we make that statement? Now, I would like to know the cost on sales is 80%. So why do you want to express like that and all, sir? What do you do? It is because now to convert every invoice price into cost price, instead of applying 20% and then reducing, instead apply 80%. Are you following? So instead of applying 20% and then reducing it, directly multiply with what, sir? 80%. Everybody? So we will directly go for multiplication with 80%, so that you can easily convert opening stock, closing stock, goods sent to branch, everything into dash price, cost price. Then prepare the trading account. Finish. The first part of solution over. Everybody? Can I turn this page? We'll show this towards the end, friends. So let us take up. Let us proceed with the computation. Let us now find out the cost price. Correct? Let us show working note for finding cost price. Everybody? Okay. You can even show everything in the trading account also. We'll combine that. Yes, directly we'll show in the trading account. Let me prepare the trading account. Trading account. We have Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Bangalore. Total. Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Bangalore. Total. Let's take that. Friends, please listen. 2. Opening stock. 12,000. Directly multiplying with what, pa? So 12,000. Okay. Now, how we got this? 16,000 into 80%. 12,000 into correct? Right? Then we have two purchases. It is goods sent to branch. 1 lakh 30 visible? Not visible. See, it is actually 16, font size 16. A different style. Okay, please. Tell me what. 90,000. Okay. You show that computation. I hope you understand how we are getting this. This is nothing but 170 into 80%. 1,12,500 into 80%. 92,500 into 80%. Yes, ma. Buy. Okay. 1 lakh. That you can't convert into 80% and all. Sales should be taken as sales only. 1 lakh 80,000. 1 lakh. Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you. Yes. Buy. Closing stock. 4,000. Gross profit, balancing figure. Huh? 64,000. 30. Without touching the lines, I have put circle, na? Thank you, thank you. Friends, please stop talking. What is the total profit? 80,000. 1,16,000. Total profit is? Friends, please listen. Ayyo. We found out the margin by taking profit only as 75. Ayyo. So ratio wrong. Are you getting any doubts? No doubts? Okay, fine, take it. $80,000 ba? Now that's very simple, please. Nothing, sir. We could not find out the profit on goods sold. We found out the profit on goods sent. Because we have cost and sale value of only goods sent. And this is not the profit on goods sold. So you will never get 75,000 here. In trading account, you will get the profit on goods sold. And that is what 80,000. That's all. Can I turn this page? Friends, please stop talking. Friends, please stop talking. Now listen, friends. Data system. They are asking you to show how branch accounts will appear in head office books, which is nothing but data system. Listen. In the data system, we prepare branch account in how many steps, friends? Opening balance, goods sent, cash sent, formalities. In this, formalities will not be there because in the books of head office, branch account will be maintained only at cost price, which means even the goods sent, goods returns, opening stock, closing stock, everything will be recorded at cost price. Could you appreciate that? Everybody? So thereby there is no formality. So how many steps? 6 steps. In that, cash sent, there is nothing called cash sent in this question. Correct? Head office is not sending any cash to branch. So how many steps? 5 steps. There is cash remittance given in the question. Branch will remit this much amount to head office, and amount is given. Correct? But goods returns information, that has to be given in the question. Goods returns information has to be given in the question, that is not given, so that is not there. So how many steps? Just 4 items will take. Opening balance, Goods and cash remittance. That's all. Profit or loss. Are you following? Everybody? Okay, takkana we will do. அந்த சைடே போக கூட ரேக் பண்றாங்க. Opening balance. Listen carefully, friends. Opening balance means opening balance of stock, debtors and cash. Opening balance of stock, debtors and cash. Sir, they have not given such information, don't think. You should know now what is this balance. You should be wondering what was this branch accounts, something is given. The branch account is nothing but the opening balance of stock, debtors, cash, everything together. Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Bangalore. So opening balance available. Goods sent to branch available. At cost price available. Already converted. Respond. Remittance is given in the question only. Closing balance. Closing balance available. Profit is required. So that profit should not be taken from that account. It has to be a separate account. What is it?
Closing balance of stock is given.
But debtors and cash? Now please listen, friends. What we should understand is that this opening balance given, no? Of Coimbatore, how much pa? This 15,000 will have stock and debtors and cash. Respond. This 15,000, Coimbatore, what is the opening stock at cost price? Look into your problem. Coimbatore, opening stock at cost price. Remaining you have 2,200. This 2,200 will be either assumed as debtors or assumed as cash. Either assumed as debtors or assumed as, I'll tell you what. If you assume it as debtors, you are assuming no cash. You are assuming, which means whatever money collected by the business will be fully remitted. No cash will be there in the branch. If you assume this as cash, 2,200 as cash, then full money is collected, there won't be any debtors. Whatever sales made is fully, I am not telling it is cash sales, but it is fully collected. Are you following up? Please respond, pa. There is no debtors. So either way you can assume. So similarly, closing also required, no sir. Closing stock available or not available? Closing stock available or not available? Closing stock is not available. But closing cash or debtors, how to find out? Imagine, let us assume cash. Let us. How to find out that cash? Now very simple. If I assume cash, all sales fully collected?
Yes, sir.
It is opening cash plus all the sales is the total cash at the branch. Minus remittance is the closing cash. Understood? Opening cash plus sales is the total cash. If you assume cash, all money is collected. No debtors. So in that case, opening cash plus sales is the total cash available. Minus remittances will give you the closing cash. Understood? So opening cash. Like that you can work out. Or in the examination you don't find much time, take that profit and directly put it here. Everybody take the profit whatever given from this trading account, put into branch account. Automatically you will be getting closing balances, balancing figure. Now please listen carefully how these things are posted, what we discussed so far. To balance brought down. Listen pa. Branch stock and branch cash. Let me assume like that. Branch cash and branch stock. Or you can assume branch stock and one thing is sure, branch stock is there. But I am not sure about branch debtors or you assume something. Everybody, whatever be the way you assume, you will be getting some result. So branch stock 12,000. Huh? No, Trivandrum. Everybody, I know this total Total is 4,000. Minus 4,000. Don't worry. It could be bank overdraft. Are you following? So don't think that, how come that is possible? The term cash includes what? Bank balance. Would you appreciate that? So thereby this is what? Bank OD. Balancing figure. That's it. Okay. So 15,000, 32,000 and 4,000. Everybody, now 2. Goods sent to branch. Please help me out with the cost price. Sir, why do you record stock at cost price? Don't you record an invoice price? Given in the question that the head office maintains the branch accounts at cost price. So goods sent to branch. Okay. 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 One lakh. Friends, please. Buy balance. Branch stock. 4,000. Listen, we have branch cash. Everybody? You can arrive, put GP here because I know the profit. Everybody? And we can arrive at the branch cash as balancing figure. But I taught you how to find out the cash directly. Suppose the question involves only preparation of this account. Everybody, if they are asking you only preparation of this account, then you can't take the profit from there. Please respond. In that case, what we will do now? Finding branch cash. It is Coimbatore, Trivandrum, Bangalore. Opening balance of cash 2,200. 22. This is different font pa. Plus sales 1 lakh. Minus remittances 32,200. 20. Now use calculator. You getting? That's all. Quickly take down, mark this as a very special problem, solve at your place. Doubts if you get, please do bring it back. Thank you, la. No. Question number 5. It can be easily completed. The moment that is completed, then performance is performance. say go to institute, attend that. Today evening you spend at institute, because that will give you lot of ideas as to what you can do in farewell. See, when such a good place is seen for farewell, it's the first of such time you're going to have such a good place. It's tentatively, it is still in the finalization stage. It is actually, it will be in music academy. So that is what. Near yes, that particular Stella, yes, exactly. Though from outstation, Stella Maris College first you found out. Can I turn this page? Question number 5. Not listening properly. Mostly into dreams. No, Manikanda. Okay. Over. Some price. Okay. ಇವರಾ ಹುಡುಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ದೆ Yes. Friends, last question for the day. See, I may forget, today's gift is question number 6. Without any adjustments which are special, simple normal question with a direct problem. So please take this problem number 6, which is the Goa branch. So I have given 2 branch, one is Bangalore branch given to you. Goa also, please enjoy these 2 at your place, right? Let us now try Bengal Trading Company. Okay. Bengal Trading Company with its head office in Calcutta invoiced goods to its branch at Bombay at 20% less than the catalog price, which is cost plus 50%, with the instruction that cash sales were to be made invoice price and credit sales at catalog price less discount at 15% on prompt payment. From the following particulars available from the branch, prepare the branch trading P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2014 in the head office books, so as to show the actual profit or loss for the branch for the year. Stock on 1st April 2013, invoice price. Debtors on 1st April 2013. Goods received from head office. Sales, cash credit, cash received from debtors, discount allowed to debtors, expenses the branch, remittance to head office, debtors, cash, stock. It was further reported that a part of stock at the branch was lost by fire, not covered by insurance during the year, whose value is to be ascertained, and a provision should be made for discount to be allowed to debtors as on 31st March 2014. On the basis of the year's trend of prompt payment. Question is already made that prepare branch trading and P&L account. Which method they are asking? So quickly go through the question once again, please. Okay. Prepare branch trading and P&L. The question is requiring you under solving at a single entry model. Trading account will have opening stock, purchases, sales, closing stock. Now listen, we need all the information in the trading account. We need all the information in the trading account at cost price. We need the information in the trading account at cost price. So have they given you opening stock? In the question, maybe you are not there in the class, try to do that. I am just focusing on you. A green color shirt. Both of you, you are actually involved in some talking. And in spite of me looking at you, focusing you, please, you are not responding again. You are still there in some thoughts. You are there. Can I start? Okay. What's your name? I was going to tell Manoj. Manoj, is it a bad word? Tell your name. Asking, what's your name? What is it? Anyway, please listen, friend. We are actually into question number 6. Question number 5. Page number 113. Okay. So for preparing this trading account, we need information, all information at cost price. Okay. So we will take opening stock. Listen. Whether margin is given in this question? Two margin. Margin is given in the question? Margin is given. Correct? Okay. Now please listen, friends. We want the opening stock at cost price. Do we have opening stock at cost price? They are given at? Whether margin present? So we can use that margin for converting invoice price into? So perfect. It is not like the previous question. So we have opening stock. We can compute that into cost price. Next. Purchases. Do I have, what is that purchases, sir, for branch? Goods sent to branch. Head office, whatever goods they have sent, that is what purchases. Correct? Do we have? See the question. At cost price? But margin is given? You can convert into cost price. So, two information available. Very much available. Readily available. Now, sales given? Sales given, huh? Cash sales given? Credit sales given? Oh, sales are fully complete. Nothing is missing here. Closing stock maybe. Closing stock given? Closing stock given, huh? Oh, opening stock given, goods sent to branch given, sales given, closing stock given, margin given. So you can easily convert into cost price so that you can easily arrive at the profit. So P&L expenses are not given or not, we will see. P&L expenses given or not. Oh, P&L expense are given. Discount, debtors related expense. There are two expenses only for branch pa. Expense incurred in cash, expense related into debtors. Correct, apa? So see, expense incurred at the branch given from debtors. That also given. Super. GP is available, GP taken, discount, expense, we get what ba? Net profit. Almost everything is available except there is some loss, abnormal loss. What loss? That need not be accounted actually. Do you remember the discussion related to loss?
Yes, sir.
For accounting for loss, no entry is required. But we make entry only for transferring the loss, eliminating the loss from trading to P&L. Do you remember? If I don't make entry for abnormal loss, it gets automatically accounted in trading account itself. Correct? But anyway, let us, because we know that abnormal loss not to come in trading, it should come in normal loss means can come in trading, no entries required, correct? So we have to find out the abnormal loss. They have given that. It was further reported that a part of stock at the branch was not covered by during the year whose value is to be. That value you should find out. Number 2, one more thing they are asking you. Provision should be made for to be allowed to debtors as on 31st March 2014 on the basis of year's trend of prompt payment. So all information trading panel available. Now only thing what you should find out is abnormal loss. Respond. In the trading account you write buy. In P&L too. No insurance. Buy abnormal loss here. That's all. Then you will also create provision for discounts. Provision for discount. Understood? Respond. When the 2 things you should compute. All other things available. Superb, readily available. Such an easy question. I will give 60 seconds time. Compute loss of stock. So let me firstly analyze the cost, various forms of cost involved. Everybody? We know cost price, or let us assume, say cost price as rupees 100. Cost price 100. See, goods were invoiced, goods to its branch at Bombay at 20% less than, which is cost plus, that is catalog prices cost plus 50%. Everybody. So, it is like this, cost price 100 plus 50%, 50 will give you, this is catalog price. The normal selling price, everybody, the price which is printed, a price which is there, that is what we understand as catalog price. But that is not the invoice price. Less 20%, 30, 120 is the invoice price. And we also understand, friends, that this 150 is the price at which we make credit sales. 150 is the price at which we make credit sales, and we find 120 is the price at which we make cash sales. Are you following this? 150 is the price at which we make credit sales, and 120 is the price at which we make. Sir, some discount and all given. The discount is not actually pricing related issue, that is only on prompt payment. So when I make the sales, I won't offer any discount. The discount is offered only for making prompt payment. Is that clear to you? So thereby please understand, cost price plus 50% is catalog price, which is 150, and then less 20%, 30, you get invoice price, and the catalog price is the price at which you make credit sales, and invoice price is the price at which you make cash sales. Understood? The discount, sir, discount is nothing related to the pricing, it is offered only on making prompt payment. Understood? Pakka? Okay. Now, using this information, let us proceed to the computation of loss of stock. Shall we? You can prepare a stock account. You can do that in a statement form. In any way you can do. Correct? Let me first of all identify the stock available at the branch. Stock. So it is opening stock at branch. How much? 12,000. Goods sent to the branch. Both these represent invoice price. 1 lakh. So what is 1,44,000? Goods available at branch. 1,44,000. Now 1,44,000 available at branch will be there in what forms and all? Na? It would have been utilized for making cash sales. It is utilized for making credit sales. There may be some amount which is there, closing stock, and some balance is lost. Everybody? Since all this information are available at invoice price, I will also take cash sales, credit sales, closing stock at, so that I will get balancing figure as loss of stock, which is at, and we know that how easily we can convert invoice price into cost price. Understood? So we find cash sales. What is the cash sales? 46,000. So 46,000 is the price which is representing what price? Invoice price. Credit sales, how much given in the question? Representing, which is how much? I want in terms of 120. Understood? So it is 1 lakh divided by 150 into 120 at invoice price. It is 80,000. 1 lakh divided by 150 into 120. Closing stock already given at invoice price. So total goods available at the branch, used for cash sales, used for credit sales, some goods has been lost and balance is there in the closing stock. So it is 3,000 balancing figure. Everybody? And at cost price equal to 3,000 representing how much pa? What is the cost price? So into 100 by 120 is equal to 2,500. One of our friend beautifully conveyed that answer. 2,500. What's your name? Venkatesh. So Venkatesh, super, excellent. Venkatesh, see 3,000, it is close to the answer because the information is at invoice price, but we actually require abnormal loss at cost price. Now with that, trading account can be completed. P&L account almost over, but only one item pending. Provision. Everybody? Rather than copying this, I just want you to work on provision. I will give you 30 seconds time. Tell me what is the amount of provision that is required. Provision for discount on debtors, PDD. $9,000. 10,000. $12,845. 17,647.
1470.
Just 1470. Okay. 1,000. 12,845. Friends, a provision should be made for discount to be allowed to debtors as on 31st March 2014 on the basis of year's trend of prompt payment. You know what does that mean? A provision should be made for discount to be allowed to debtors as on 31st March 2014, which means the debtors existing on 31st March 2014, which is for this 11,000, you should create a provision. In other words, this 11,000 debtors which are relating to current year sales, when they make payment in the next year, may make prompt payment and get discount. Correct? So that amount only should be provided now, not future provision for all discounts. The provision what you create is on a specific closing debtors. Do you understand that? Provision for bad debts or provision for discount on debtors is nothing but on the closing debtors expected to incur loss, that only you can create as a provision. Understood? So here, so when the provision is to be 11,000, the simple thing is that maximum out of 11,000, how much loss you can incur in future, that is what you create as provision. Those of the answer which are in excess of 11,000, first round elimination. Okay. 10,000 qualifies. Anyway, that much of provision for discount can't be created because discount itself is for 15%. And one more thing is it cannot be more than 1650. Second round elimination, anybody in excess of 1650 itself is eliminated. Now please listen. Do you understand the concept, sir? Out of closing debt of 11,000, whoever expected to become prompt payment, whatever discount that we may provide, that should be provided now. Understood? So expected loss arising from offering discount to debtors should be provided in this particular year. That is what provision for discount on debtors. Shall we proceed? Sir, how do I know out of 11,000? Who will make prompt payment? How much discount I will provide? I know discount rate is 15%. Discount rate is. But who will make prompt payment? How do I know? Further they are telling, you follow the year's trend of prompt payment. Current year's trend of prompt payment. Understanding? Now what is that, sir? Current year's trend of prompt payment. Let us work out. Shall we? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Let me show that. It is. What is the opening debtors, friends? Opening debtors. Current year credit sales. Closing debtors. 15,000. Everybody, you know what is 99,000 debtors discharged during the year? Debtors discharged during the year is how much? This many debtors have discharged settled during the year. I would like to know, out of this, debtors claiming discount, how much of 99,000 who has claimed discount? I want to know. Very good. How to find out that 13,365 is the current year discount? Everybody, X amount into 15% is 13,365. Friends, please listen. Everybody, I gave discount only for people who made prompt payment. So X amount made prompt payment into 15% is 13,365. Correct? So what is that X? 13,365 divided by 15%, it is 89,100 is the debtors who made prompt payment out of 99,000. So which means that is a trend we have. Current year trend shows that out of 99,000, 89,100 worth of debtors have claimed discount, which is 90%. Not everybody will make prompt payment. Understood? So thereby only if you make prompt payment I will give you discount. So the same trend we expect even on 11,000. So PDD can be only 11,000 into 90%. Only who makes what? Is what expecting. It's only an estimation, na? Into 15%. 1485. I thought you were about to tell that answer. 1485. Are you all following this? Now please listen, friends. This is logical way of arriving at the answer. Alternatively, in a short form, 13,365 is the discount which is relating to the debtor settlement of 99,000. 13,365 is the discount relating to the settlement of 99,000. What is the expected discount for 11,000? 1485. Are you following? So that way please understand that in any form we can express. This is the way what is given in that those two lines. Current year's trend of prompt payment. We worked out the trend and we have showed all these things. Understood? Everybody? So that way discount is 1485. Very in the books of head office. Friends, please stop talking, listen. To opening stock. Listen friends, given is 12,000 representing 120 into 100. So very easily we can convert invoice price into cost price by 120 into 100. By 120 into 100. Correct? It is 10,000. Two purchases, which is nothing but goods sent to branch. 1,32,000 by 110. 1,10,000. That's very good. Buy sales, cash sale 40. Credit sale Then by abnormal loss, by closing stock 15,000 by 120 into 100, 12,000 to gross profit carry now. By gross profit brought down to expenses to discount to provision for discount on debtors and to abnormal loss. That's all.